Want to know the biggest mistake actors make when it comes to their self-belief? Come and check out this Mindset Mini with me, Charlotte Thornton. Hi there, welcome. How are you? It's Charlotte, the career mentor for actors here with the biggest mistake I think actors make when it comes to their self-belief. Now, our self-belief is the most important thing we have. As I often say, we can't ask the industry to believe in us if we don't believe in us. So protecting your self-belief is really important. And I've got a whole little masterclass on self-belief on my website. So do check that out. I'll put the link in the description below. But here's the biggest mistake actors are making when it comes to self-belief. And that is that they are putting the belief that they're good outside of themselves. So they think, if I get an agent, I'll believe I'm good. If I get into drama school, I'll believe I'm good. If I get this better agent, I'll believe I'm good. If I get this job, I'll believe I'm good. But all these things are external, and often they're quite transient. We start with drama school and maybe we don't get into drama school, so then our belief crashes. Or we get into drama school, but then our belief is still crashes again and we need something else. We need the agent, we need the job. And so we're never quite there. It's always out of reach. The goalposts are always just moving. Maybe we feel good for a moment when we book the job or sign with the agent, and then a couple of weeks later it started to fizzle again and we started to have that insecurity and those doubts again, which we know is impacting our ability as an actor, but also our ability to persuade other people that we are hireable. Yeah, they need to feel confident in us as an actor, and so they need to read confidence coming out of us. So when we put it outside of ourselves, of course, we're completely giving our power away. And like I say, even if we win that deal, it's transient. It moves. The goalposts shift along. So we need to bring it inside. We're not only good if we book the job. We're not only good if we get into drama school. There are loads of people who didn't go to drama school, who didn't book jobs, who didn't get agents, who weren't good. I didn't have an agent for 8 years. And you might go, well, Charlotte, you must have been rubbish. Well, yeah, maybe there were times when I was rubbish. I certainly have done some rubbish auditions. I've also done some amazing auditions, some great auditions, some average auditions, some okay auditions. We're not as consistent as we like to think we are. So no, I wasn't a rubbish actor, but I'm sure I had rubbish moments, but I also had some brilliant moments. So you'll just have to trust me on that, or on the people who hired me. But the point is, our belief, we want to build it from the inside where possible. And how do we do that? Well, maybe that's a bit of a deeper dive and check into the masterclass, but just start to observe where you are making the belief in yourself conditional on something outside of you happening, something that you're not even in control of. Because other people have free will, whether they hire us or not, whether they see us for an audition or not, whether we get into drama school. This is not a meritocracy. This is not science. So don't put the belief out of yourself. Don't put your self-belief conditional on certain things happening that are outside of you. That's a big mistake, but we can start to unravel it, start to recognize we're doing it and go, no, I'm going to stop doing that. I'm going to bring back my belief to things that I have decided rather than external outside things that we're leaving to chance. So more on that, do check out the workshop, or obviously there's my book. But either way, if you just liked this video, please hit the like, hit the subscribe. That would be great. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful week. Bye. If you'd like to find out more from me, do go to charlottethornton.com. That's my website. You can find out about how to mentor with me, but also I've got webinars on there, live events, my book, and of course a great resource that is my blog. So do check it out, simply charlottethornton.com.